Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a cornrow wig cap. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing you need for this tutorial is a cap, and I advise you to use a dome cap because it has an elastic band on it already compared to this other cap. Like for this one you have to stitch an elastic band on it at the end of making the wig or making the cap. You also need a necklace and braids. I'll be using this Kenyaki long braids number 2, and of course you need needle and thread. I'm going to sew the net on the side just in case I want to create a side parting when I'm making my wig. So guys, I don't always throw the nets that I cut on my 360 caps because I always like reuse them. Like you can see this one is from like the previous wig that I made, so I don't always throw the nets. I use them to make other closures. So once you're done, you're going to cut the cap so that you're left with the less net. So the next step I'm going to do is to make my braids. I wanted to make like 5 pieces of braids, but then I decided to make like one long braid and then stitch it on the cap. So for me to make like one long braid, I first crochet a piece of hair on the cap and then took another hair and braided it. And when I was almost at the end of braiding like that piece, I took another hair, joined them together and continued braiding. So guys, this cap that I'm making is good for like big braids like fox locks, braids, compared to like using just a normal cap because sometimes it can tear the cap, the braids can tear the cap. And then also I can't like use this cap that I'm making to make like weaves because I just love using like the normal caps instead of using like the cornrow cap to make weaves. But then if you can't make it, you can just buy it. You can get them from AliExpress, you can get them from Alibaba. They're not that expensive. They're like $5, $6, but then they are expensive to compare to the normal ones because the normal ones are like $2, but then this cornrow cap, they're like $6, $7 or $5. But then again, you might buy the cap and then your braids won't go through because sometimes the lines that they sew on the cap or the braids that I sew on the cap, they're too tight, so you find your hair won't even go through the braids or under the braids. So as you can see, my braid is becoming longer. I've joined it like 3 or 4 times, and then I'm going to pin it down on this cap and sew it. And then I prefer if you sew it in this shape other than this other shape because with this other shape, someone is going to see the cornrows. So I prefer if you crochet it in this shape. So I went ahead and cut the flyaways and the lace. Like there's no difference between this cap and the ones that they sell online. So if you don't have time to make this cap, you can just buy them. But just make sure if you're making this cap, make sure the stitches are tight so that you know when you start the crochet and pull the hair through, it doesn't cut. So just make sure that your stitches are very, very tight. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.